Today we're going to work on our underhand throwing. So you need two things, something to throw with, and then a target, which we're using the laundry basket for. We went around the house and just found all kinds of little things that would work. So remember, your kids have small hands. We started with this small little squishy ball, which can fit easily in the hand. Then we have a little soft football, and then little animals that work well because the kids can just grab them around the middle and throw them. Anytime we're throwing, we always want to have a starting spot for the kids. So we just laid a dish towel down, so ask your child to stand on the towel, and then they're going to pick up one of the objects and hold in their throwing hand, okay? And so Maze has the ball in his hand, and when we throw underhand, we like to have our palm facing the target, so you can see the way his arm is right now. And a lot of kids will start with their palm backwards. So if you see this, then just help your child turn their hand, again, so the palm is facing the target. Okay, so face the target, and most often the kids are just going to throw right from there into the target, okay? But what we want to work on is a tick-tock motion. So when we're starting on our dish rag, or our starting spot, our arm is actually going to go back first, so we say tick, and then tock, and release, okay? So a lot of times with the kids, I say tick, tock, throw. So here we go, tick, tock, throw. The next progression is when we take a step towards the target. So we always want to step with the opposite foot, or the foot that's opposition of where we're throwing. So because Maze is a right-handed thrower and the ball's in his right hand, he's going to step with his left foot onto the other spot I laid down, then do his tick, tock, throw into the basket. Okay? Then you can have your kid grab another toy, stand with both feet on the towel, and then we say step, tick, tock, throw. Okay, another one. Step, tick, tock, throw. Very good. And your kid might switch hands, and that's okay. For our young kids, they're still trying to figure out which is their stronger hand. If you want to make them put it in one hand, that's okay. Otherwise, as long as we're getting that tick, tock, and we're following through to hit a target, that's what we're looking for today. After you do that a few times and you're having success, you can move your spot back. So we'll move our standing spot back a little ways and also bring our stepping spot, and then try from a bigger distance. You don't have to go back that far, you can go just a little at a time, but Maze is going to show us a farther one. So again, it's the same thing. He's going to step, tick, tock, throw. Okay, one more time. Again, the ball is down by his leg, palm is forward, and he's going to take his step, tick, tock, throw. So now we're going to practice some of our underhand throwing outside, and this is probably more for our older kids that are a little more advanced. I took some chalk and I just drew a line on the ground and a stepping spot for him. I also decided we'd use the garage as our target, and you can see there's a big purple square. So his first job is just to hit inside the purple square. Alright, so he takes his ball down by his leg. He's going to take a step, tick, tock, and throw. Okay, and so he got it in. He can do that a few times, and then he can move back. We made a harder spot a little farther away, here onto the orange. So same thing, he's going to take a step, tick, tock, and hit in that purple square. Okay, nice job. Now, to make this harder, what we're going to do is we're going to tell him he has to hit one of these numbers. So you can see with chalk again, I made a 1, 2, 3, and 4. So he's going to come back up to our first line here. Okay, I want you to try to hit the 1. Step, tick, tock, and he did it. Very nice job. Okay, we have this other ball that he can try here. This ball is a little bit squishier, a little easier to hold on to maybe. All right, step, tick, tock, throw. Nice job. Now, if your kid is left-handed, all they need to do is just scoot over on the line a little bit. Okay, so the ball would be in his left hand now, and he would step with his right foot and still do his tick, tock, throw. Okay, if you find these are easy for your kids, go ahead and move back to our farthest line, which is a purple line. And let's see, Maze, if you can hit the number 4. Okay, step, tick, tock. Did you get it?
Yep.
All right, good job. So I hope again you guys can just do these, practice the skill with your kids a couple times a day. 5-10 minutes and really just focus on those key words of stepping, tick, tock, and throw. All right, thank you.